If you want better exposure control in Lightroom Mobile, one of the most useful tools you can turn on is the histogram. The histogram shows the brightness distribution in your photo, from shadows on the left to highlights on the right, so you can quickly see whether your image is too dark, too bright, or clipping detail at the edges. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view the histogram in Lightroom Mobile step by step. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and select the photo you want to edit. You need to be inside an image before the histogram option will matter, because the histogram appears while you're editing a photo. Once your image is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots menu. This opens the settings and view options for that photo. From here, scroll through the menu until you find View Options. Tap on that, and inside the view settings, look for the option that says Show Histogram. Turn that on. As soon as you enable it, the histogram will appear at the top of your screen while you edit. Now here's why this is so helpful. The left side of the histogram represents shadows and darker areas, while the right side represents highlights and brighter areas. If the graph is pushed too far to either edge, that can mean your image is losing detail in the blacks or the whites. So as you adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks, keep an eye on the histogram to make sure your edit stays balanced. If you see the graph touching the far left or far right too heavily, you may be clipping detail, which means important parts of the image are becoming too dark or too bright to recover. That's why the histogram is such a powerful guide for beginners and advanced editors alike. It gives you a fast visual check so you can make better editing decisions without guessing. Once it's enabled, you can continue editing normally and use the histogram as a reference every time you fine-tune your image. And that's it. Now you know how to view the histogram in Lightroom Mobile and use it to control exposure more accurately. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.